Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can stop people from messaging you on eBay. So let's get right into it. Now, on eBay, you can only block buyers from messaging you, and those buyers are buyers that you can block from your listings. And once you do, you have an option to enable eBay to stop them from messaging you, or just to block their messages if they are a blocked buyer. And let me show you how that is done. Now, I can't actually access the seller or buyer management tab for some reason. If I go into my account settings, as you'll see, I do have the option to go to selling and go to the seller account. And once you're here, you'll be able to go to your seller dashboard. And from here, you can click manage communication with buyers. And as you can see, when I click it, it'll just give me this red tab where they can't load my information. Might be because I haven't sold anything yet. However, that is not 100% certain. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to actually block buyers first. I do have a tutorial on how you can do that. You can look up a support article on eBay on how you can block buyers and then just add them to the list. And then that'll block them from actually accessing or bidding on your listings. And then, presumably, when you go to manage communication with buyers, you just need to go to the section that says don't allow blocked buyers to contact me and just switch that option on. And after that, you should be good. And that should just, in general, block blocked buyers from actually messaging you. And that's pretty much all you can do. Sorry I couldn't show you guys, but I'm getting an error for some reason. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.